Hello, this is Beth Wood with Beth Spite with a How To Tuesday. Today, I'd like to talk about jump lists. Now, don't get scared if you've never heard that term. You probably have used jump lists on a regular basis if you're a computer user, and you just didn't know what they were called. So here, let me introduce you. This list over here on my start menu is a jump list. It is automatically created by Windows, and it is the last 5 programs that I've used on my computer. And if you notice, there's a little arrow. The little arrows will show you the last files that I used with the program. As well as, like, here is the last few documents that I've opened with Word. Here are the last few documents I opened with Publisher, Dreamweaver, PowerPoint. So you get the idea, right? It shows you the last few things that you've done so that if there's something that you opened recently, it'll be quicker and easier to open it up and use it. So most of you have already done that and already noticed that that's there. What I'd like to bring your attention to that you may not have seen is that each of these items on this jump list has a little picture of a push pin next to it. If you hover, you'll see the little push pins. Now you may or may not have noticed those, but if you actually click on the push pin, it's going to move it up into what's known as your pinned list instead of the recent list. And the difference is your pinned list stays here all the time. It doesn't change depending on what you've opened or what programs you've used. It stays and doesn't ever go away. So if there's documents you use on a regular basis, you can get those documents open a lot quicker if you just add them to your pinned list. Another thing I'd like to bring up is there's a couple different ways to see these jump lists. You can right click on the taskbar and it will bring the jump list up. You can also left click and hold. Like normally if you just left click, it'll open the program with a new document available. If you left click and hold and then drag up, that will also show you the list, the jump list. If you're in Word or Excel, Publisher, whatever document you're in, you can also go to Recent over here on the left hand side underneath the File tab, and it'll also show you a jump list. Now this is inside the program, so you actually have to open the program to see it. So unless you're already in the program, this is a less convenient way to do it. It's always easier to come down here and notice. I'd like you to notice that I have these 3. I have Sign In, Price Sheet, and ORP-Visual pinned here. If you notice, it's different things pinned here. So maybe there's documents that you always open them individually and you don't actually have the program open when you open these. And then maybe there's documents that you open on a regular basis when you already have the program open. And so you would want to pin different documents depending on when and how you open them and how you use them. So just something to notice that these lists don't coincide with each other. They're different. So anyway, in a nutshell, that's jump list. That's How To Tuesday. Very quick and simple and easy. And I hope that helps you a little bit. And we'll see you next time. Beth Wood with Beth Spite. Have a great day.